finals this year. She'll face Katarina Makarova next. For CBS 2 News, I'm Otis Livingston. Have a great day.
So a 10-year-old girl may have set a world record for planking. That means this is it. You know, she held that flat position like a plank of wood. In this case, for an hour and 20 minutes. Darian Mansfield is a gymnast. She got into the position. It was during a celebration at her local gym. And as she held it, people realized she was about to break the world record.
I just decided, once I realized how long I was actually going and that I wasn't hurting a lot, to try to go for the world record.
That was an amazing feat for her to accomplish. But she's always been a very determined little soul, even from the crib.
Mom was sweet. She was playing movies and everything for her during this time. Darian's parents say next time they'll try to raise some money for charity and fill out the official paperwork for getting into the Guinness Book of World Records.
Look at that. Nice job, huh?
Wow.
Great court. Great court.
Really difficult. Amazing.
What movie did she play? Frozen, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
Time now, 5:25. Up next, the day's top stories and team coverage as Tri-State area students head back to school.
Vacation is over and it is back to school for more than 1.1 million New York City students. But for some pre-K parents, they're having to make some other arrangements. We'll explain coming up.
It's the first day of school in Newark, but many parents are planning a boycott. We'll explain why they're so angry coming up.
We just ask that he doesn't work with children anymore. And that's it.
Parents protesting this time in Queens, their fight to get a longtime teacher out of the classroom. The troubling behavior he's accused of. We're back right after the break.
CBS 2 Sports is brought to you by Audi.
I'm gonna rotate your camera, you and the glasses, you coat, right?
I don't know.
Lucky guess.
Ready? Here we go.
We're in. I can't calculate without ordering.
One piece. I can't always. I'm just trying to straighten out as many songs as I messed up. That's what the practice is about. I forgot to make a list. Come on, man. Nick. I gotta remember I got two things recording at one time, so.
It's 5:30.